5 Best Dial Indicators. Here is the product number 5. Dial indicator with look back measurement. 100% brand new and high quality. Name, dial indicator. Precise and professional made, stable performance. Range, 0 to 10 mm. Resolution, 0.01 mm. Display, pointer. Color, silver. Dial indicator style, vertical. DIY supplies, metalworking. Display type, digital. Here is the product number 4. Dial test indicator tool. Permanent magnet operation with on/off control. V-grooved base for secure mounting on cylindrical surfaces. Ideal for holding lever indicators at any orientation on a machine tool for alignment operations. Flexible, strong, and precise rotary joints, can adjust any direction and location. Powerful magnetic base, with on/off switch for magnet. With high stability. Here is the product number 3. Dial test indicator. This gauge stand holder will be your ideal tool for making precise measurements. Adjustable powerful magnetic base with on/off switch for the magnet. High stability. DIY supplies, metalworking. Dial indicator style, vertical. Material, metal. Here is the product number 2. QSTEXPRESS dial test indicator. Brand name, QSTEXPRESS. Display type, analog. Dial indicator style, vertical. DIY supplies, metalworking. Max measuring range, 10 mm and under. Package, plastic box. Here is the product number 1. Dial indicator gauge test measuring instrument. 100% brand new and high quality. Name, dial indicator. Precise and professional made, stable performance. Range, 0 to 10 mm. Resolution, 0.01 mm. Display, pointer. Color, silver type, test measuring instrument tools. Display type, analog. DIY supplies, electrical. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.